Warning: do not use baking soda for your health until you watch this video. While research shows this common household item can provide significant benefits for seniors, using it incorrectly can lead to serious health complications, especially if you're on certain medications or have kidney concerns. But the good news is, today, I'm sharing the scientifically proven health benefits of baking soda specifically for seniors, including some uses that even most doctors don't discuss with their patients. You'll learn the exact amounts, timing, and methods to safely use baking soda for everything from acid reflux to improving athletic performance, even in your 70s and 80s. Did you know that 78% of seniors are spending hundreds of dollars each year on specialized medications when a dollar solution might work just as well? The truth is, there's a hidden crisis lurking in medicine cabinets across America that's silently draining the bank accounts of older adults. Let's talk about what's really going on. Every day, millions of seniors wake up facing uncomfortable health challenges. That burning sensation after meals. Those aching joints that make getting out of bed a chore. The skin irritations that just won't go away. These aren't just minor inconveniences. They're quality of life thieves that can transform simple daily activities into genuine struggles. What's worse, these conditions often create a domino effect where physical discomfort leads to less movement, fewer social interactions, and eventually a decline in overall health. But here's where things get truly troubling. The pharmaceutical industry has masterfully convinced us that each of these problems requires its own specialized, expensive solution. Turn on your TV and you'll see commercial after commercial suggesting that only their brand name product can possibly address your specific ailment. These marketing campaigns are particularly effective with seniors, many of whom grew up trusting medical authorities and advertisements. Let's look at the actual costs. A single bottle of acid reflux medication, something many seniors take daily, typically costs between $15 and $25. Specialized creams for skin irritations often run $30 or more per tube. While these prices might seem manageable to some, they represent significant financial strain for seniors living on fixed incomes. The financial burden becomes even more apparent when you consider that many seniors aren't just treating one condition. Research reveals that 65% of adults over 65 take a minimum of 3 prescription medications every single day. And here's the kicker. Many of these medications cause side effects that then require additional treatments. It's a vicious cycle that keeps expanding both medicine cabinets and healthcare costs. For someone living on Social Security or a fixed pension, these mounting healthcare expenses create impossible choices. Do you fill all your prescriptions or pay your heating bill? Buy the cream that stops the itching or purchase groceries for the week? These aren't hypothetical dilemmas, they're daily realities for millions of older Americans. There's another concerning aspect that rarely gets discussed. Many of these expensive commercial products contain complex synthetic chemicals that can interact with other medications or even cause new health problems. This is particularly problematic for seniors whose bodies process medications differently due to age-related changes in metabolism and organ function. What was designed to help one problem might actually be creating others. The most frustrating part of this entire situation: a simple, natural alternative has been sitting in your kitchen cabinet all along. That humble box of baking soda, something that costs around $1, might be capable of replacing hundreds of dollars worth of specialized products you've been convinced to buy. I'm not suggesting baking soda is some miracle cure for everything, but what scientific research has shown is that sodium bicarbonate, the scientific name for baking soda, offers legitimate, evidence-backed benefits for many common health concerns that affect seniors. From neutralizing stomach acid to reducing inflammation, this simple compound works in surprisingly effective ways. Before you rush to your pantry, though, it's important to understand that baking soda isn't appropriate for everyone or every situation. Like any remedy, natural or pharmaceutical, it needs to be used correctly. Seniors with high blood pressure, kidney issues, or certain medications need to be particularly careful, as the sodium content could potentially cause complications. Now that we understand the safety considerations, It's time to tackle perhaps the most immediate benefit of baking soda for seniors: digestive relief. What if I told you that the $20 antacid in your medicine cabinet contains essentially the same active ingredient as that dollar box of baking soda in your pantry? That uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest after meals is something nearly 40% of adults over 60 experience regularly. For many seniors, these digestive issues can disrupt daily activities and significantly impact quality of life. When acid reflux or heartburn strikes, it can turn a pleasant evening into hours of discomfort. Most seniors reach for over-the-counter antacids or prescription medications, which certainly provide relief. The secret they're paying 10 to 20 times more for? Sodium bicarbonate, the exact same compound as baking soda, just with pretty packaging, flavoring agents, and marketing. What if a $1 solution could erase that burning sensation almost instantly? The power of baking soda lies in its simplicity. It works through basic chemistry, neutralizing excess stomach acid that causes that painful burning sensation, without the fillers, artificial sweeteners, and unnecessary ingredients found in commercial products. Imagine finishing dinner with your family when that familiar chest burning begins. Instead of suffering through dessert, you mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in 4 ounces of cool water and sip it slowly. Within minutes, the fire in your chest subsides as the solution neutralizes the stomach acid causing your discomfort. Those prescription and over-the-counter medications often come with concerning side effects, especially with extended use. Long-term users face increased risks of vitamin deficiencies, bone fractures, and kidney problems, complications that seniors particularly can't afford to ignore. Think about the convenience this solution offers in your daily life. Instead of rushing to the pharmacy when heartburn strikes, a simple mixture from your kitchen provides rapid relief. Keep a small container of baking soda in your purse or travel bag, and you'll never be caught off guard by unexpected digestive discomfort. While baking soda works wonderfully for occasional heartburn, it's not addressing underlying conditions. If you're experiencing persistent symptoms, these could indicate more serious conditions like GERD or ulcers that require proper medical attention. For your safety, never use this remedy more than twice in a 24-hour period or for more than 2 weeks without consulting your doctor. If you manage high blood pressure, have kidney disease, or take medications that might interact with sodium bicarbonate, speak with your healthcare provider first. The sodium content, while lower than many expect, still needs consideration for those on sodium-restricted diets. In large amounts, baking soda can cause problems ranging from digestive issues to serious conditions like kidney failure. If you suspect someone has taken too much, call Poison Control at 800-222-1222 immediately. Moving beyond digestive benefits, baking soda offers remarkable relief for 2 common issues that plague many seniors daily: joint pain and skin irritations. While we've explored its internal uses, the external applications might be even more life-changing for those struggling with physical discomfort. Did you know that more than half of adults over 65 suffer from joint pain severe enough to limit their daily activities? It's a staggering statistic that represents millions of seniors searching for affordable, effective relief. Joint pain and inflammation become unwelcome companions as we age, making simple tasks increasingly difficult. Like a gentle rain washing away tension, baking soda's natural alkaline properties create an environment where inflammation cannot thrive. When applied externally, it neutralizes acidic compounds that contribute to pain and irritation, whether in arthritic joints or on irritated skin. This simple powder restores pH balance to inflamed areas without harsh chemicals found in commercial products. Research published in the Journal of Immunology revealed that baking soda signals special immune cells called macrophages to reduce their inflammatory response. This helps calm the body's inflammation at the cellular level, potentially benefiting seniors with conditions like rheumatoid arthritis as a complement to prescribed treatments. For therapeutic relief, try these simple applications. For joint pain and skin irritation: 1. Add 1/4 cup baking soda to warm bath water. 2. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Use 2 to 3 times weekly, especially after physical activities. For targeted skin relief, 1. Mix 1 part baking soda with 3 parts water to form a paste. 2. Apply directly to affected areas like insect bites or poison ivy. 3. Store pre-made paste in the refrigerator during summer months for quick access. These remedies are particularly valuable for seniors because of their gentle nature on sensitive, aging skin. The simplicity of preparation means those with dexterity challenges can easily manage these remedies independently. Many innovative seniors have discovered additional applications, such as adding baking soda to foot soaks for gout pain relief or using the paste under bandages for persistent skin irritations. This versatility offers multiple solutions from a single inexpensive product. Important safety note: external applications of baking soda are generally safe, but avoid using on broken skin, deep wounds, or severe burns. Health experts recommend taking breaks between extended uses to maintain the skin's natural pH balance. As with any remedy, moderation should guide usage. Always consult your healthcare provider before beginning any new treatment regimen, especially if you have sensitive skin or are currently using prescribed medications. The same kitchen staple that soothes your external aches also holds surprising power for your smile. While we've looked at external applications, what about the neglected area many seniors struggle with daily? Did you know that 1 in 5 seniors has untreated tooth decay right now despite religious brushing? The dental industry has a billion-dollar secret they're reluctant to share about what works better than their premium products. When we talk about oral health for seniors, the statistics paint a concerning picture. Nearly all adults over 65, a staggering 96%, have experienced cavities in their lifetime. But what's truly alarming is that 20% currently have untreated decay, leading to pain, infection, and sometimes even more serious health complications. This isn't just about cavities, it's about quality of life, nutrition, and even social confidence. Have you ever examined the ingredient list on your toothpaste tube? Many commercial oral care products are packed with problematic ingredients that can actually worsen conditions for older adults. Those harsh abrasives might promise a brighter smile, but they're simultaneously wearing down enamel that's already thinning with age. The artificial sweeteners and chemicals added for taste and texture often irritate sensitive gums, which is particularly troublesome for seniors already dealing with receding gum lines. Baking soda offers a gentler approach that's especially beneficial as we age. Unlike aggressive commercial products, it provides just enough abrasive action to remove plaque without damaging precious enamel. This makes it particularly valuable for seniors with receding gums and exposed root surfaces, which are more vulnerable to damage and decay. The mild nature of baking soda cleaning means you're getting effective results without causing additional problems. I was surprised to discover what researchers at the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found when comparing cleaning effectiveness. Toothpaste containing baking soda removed up to 65% more plaque in those difficult-to-reach areas of the mouth compared to non-baking soda formulations. Think about those spaces between teeth or along the gum line where your brush struggles to make contact, exactly where most dental problems begin for seniors. Incorporating baking soda into your oral care routine couldn't be simpler. You have 2 easy options: either dip your damp toothbrush directly into baking soda and brush as normal, or add a small amount to your regular toothpaste for enhanced cleaning power. Dental professionals recommend using this method about 2 to 3 times weekly for optimal results without disrupting your mouth's natural balance. For seniors undergoing chemotherapy or suffering from canker sores, baking soda offers additional relief. A simple sodium bicarbonate mouth rinse can increase saliva pH, making it less acidic and helping prevent enamel demineralization. Its bland taste is particularly welcome for those experiencing the altered taste sensations that often accompany cancer treatment. The benefits of baking soda extend beyond just your teeth and gums. Have you noticed that as you've aged, certain odors seem more pronounced or bothersome? That's because our sense of smell actually changes as we age. often making us more sensitive to persistent odors. This is where baking soda's remarkable odor-neutralizing properties come into play, addressing both oral and environmental freshness. Unlike commercial air fresheners that simply mask odors with artificial fragrances, adding more chemicals to your environment, baking soda works through a different mechanism entirely. It neutralizes odor molecules by actually altering their pH structure, eliminating the smell at its source rather than covering it up. This approach is not only more effective, but also healthier, especially for seniors who may have respiratory sensitivities or conditions. Beyond the kitchen and bathroom, this humble powder has caught the attention of serious medical researchers studying conditions that affect thousands of seniors. The same simple chemistry that neutralizes odors is now being examined for its potential role in supporting treatments for kidney disease and certain cancers. Sodium bicarbonate's pH-altering properties are being scientifically explored as complementary approaches to conventional medical care. Beyond everyday relief, emerging medical research is uncovering even deeper therapeutic potentials for this humble powder. Like an understudy stepping into a crucial supporting role, baking soda is being re-examined for how it might assist compromised body systems when they struggle to maintain balance. When it comes to kidney health, researchers have been investigating a compelling possibility. Could baking soda help patients with chronic kidney disease? For many with kidney problems, the body struggles to remove excess acid from the bloodstream, a condition called metabolic acidosis. This acid buildup creates additional stress on already compromised kidneys. Medical researchers have found that prescribed sodium bicarbonate supplementation may help these patients by neutralizing blood acidity, potentially easing the workload on damaged kidneys, and possibly slowing disease progression in specific cases. The research shows mixed results, with a systematic review noting that more high-quality clinical trials are needed to study sodium bicarbonate in acute kidney injury. Another clinical trial found that sodium bicarbonate didn't improve physical or kidney function, and there were increased side effects. In cancer care, researchers are exploring another application. Tumors often create highly acidic microenvironments that can protect cancer cells and inhibit treatment effectiveness. Preliminary research suggests sodium bicarbonate might help make these environments less acidic, potentially enhancing some chemotherapy drugs. There's one established use in cancer care already helping patients. The Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center recommends a simple baking soda rinse to soothe painful mouth sores caused by chemotherapy. Just a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, an eighth teaspoon of salt, and a cup of warm water. These medical applications come with significant risks if not properly supervised. Verywell Health reports that common side effects include abdominal bloating, nausea, and vomiting, with severe cases potentially triggering allergic reactions requiring immediate medical attention. For seniors, the maximum recommended daily dose is half that for younger adults. Self-medication for serious conditions can lead to dangerous consequences, including sodium poisoning, which can cause dehydration, seizures, kidney failure, and slow, shallow breathing. In extreme cases, large amounts can even cause a ruptured stomach. The right approach is discussing these potential treatments with your doctor if you're managing kidney disease or undergoing cancer treatment. Your healthcare provider can evaluate whether the potential benefits outweigh the risks based on your complete medical history. And there you have it, a simple, affordable solution that's probably sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. At just about $1 per box, baking soda offers seniors significant savings compared to specialized products that cost 10 to 20 times more for the same benefit. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen, especially with existing conditions or medications. Imagine taking a step toward better health with something so simple from your kitchen. I hope these practical tips empower you to take control of your health naturally. If you found this valuable, please share your success stories in the comments and pass these budget-friendly remedies to others who might benefit. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel, and remember, the best of your healthy golden years are ahead of you. See you in the next video.